Don't worry. You won't be fatherless like me. You'll be loved. Even if it's just by your mother and your grandmother, you'll be loved.
And two with credit. Precious you pass. The whole of them, thank you, Jesus. We never fling myself out the place for none. Thank you, Jesus. Precious, me glad for you, sir. Look, the precious you pass the whole of them. You start for your son, don't long your son.
Mama, look. Are the 8 where you help me with the pass for distinction, you know?
Me not care, precious. Me not care. Me only glad say you pass and walk up.
I tell us how you did right, Mama.
Oh, God, precious, me so glad for you, precious, me proud of you.
Jesus, Mama, look.
Oh, precious, everything. Thank you, Jesus. What are you going to do with yourself now? The world is a stage, the world is your high star. Precious, what are you going to do now?
Mama, you see when I have this baby, I'm going to get a job. And then I'm going to save all the money and apply to the University of the West Indies.
What about the here and the now? Strike while the hand is hot, precious. Why are you going to wait so long?
Mama, I don't have any money now.
No, precious, don't worry about that. Me now will look after it. Why you think me fling myself about the place?
Mama, that alone can't help me. I have to help myself
precious,
as well.
I have a big surprise for you, baby. Okay. Jesus Christ, I'm going to take off the damn front door, you know. Then they won't have nothing for now.
If I Mr. Brinks running, Mama. Sure. Tired of him,
What
man.
is it?
West Ham yard.
Congratulations. I hear the good news. I see you have your father brain.
No bother with it, you hear me? No bother think say you're going to come after all these years, come take credit for nothing. I beg you come out and let me have my picnic.
Listen, I lost my wife and children.
What happened, them dead?
No, divorce. But my wife, she get custody of them. She get the house and the car. See the paper them here?
What a way she lucky, what a way you unlucky.
So, it's only who know me have left?
Who know who? Who?
You don't understand, do you? It's you cause me to get divorced, you know.
But see, a man never go to America yet.
Every day I talk about you, I realize me can't live the rest of my life in America. She's American, your children is American, me's the other one in our family.
So, it's how long now you work out that?
About 5 years now.
5 years? It take you 5 years? All the time I write to you. No answer. Not even a little help with my school fee. Food, shoes for wear, nothing. When I wanted anything, I had to go and catch, man. You come in here and talk about you had your father brains.
Let me tell you something,
So,
you see. Me no want nobody come here and upset me. Me
The
no want
money
nobody
I
come here
sent
and
you
upset
wasn't
me.
enough.
Me beg you come out and you just come out and you hear me?
What money that?
The money that I sent you,
What's funny I talk about, Mama?
Me don't know, just come
I
out and
sent
shut
you
up about it, man. Come out
$1,000.
here. Just come out here with your food,
every
child.
month for the past 5 years.
Mama, him send me money.
Listen to me now, sir.
Me
Me beg you
don't
come
know
out
what
and you
I'm
hear me
saying.
picnic. Just come out, me
You
no want to hear
never know
nothing
about
from that.
that.
No.
Jesus Christ. What a woman wicked and thief.
Precious. Precious.
Hold on a minute, Mama. Wait.
Hold on, Precious. Hold on, me can't explain.
I would never believe it.
I can explain it, Precious.
You claim how much you love your daughter. She's a wicked and terrible woman.
Hold on, Mama. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Mama, all this time, you had me boxing shit out of Agmouth when you had the money, Mama.
Precious, listen to me now.
If it wasn't for the women's center, I'd end up just like you.
No, Precious, we never make that happen to you. I never make that.
Catch man and thief them money.
Precious,
Leave her come and live at my house.
Precious, please. Let me explain to you, please.
Explain what?
I just want to talk to you on my own. Just without him, Precious. Let me just
Talk to me about what?
The money. Let me explain how it goes.
I don't want no explanation.
Precious, I don't know how you think it goes. Precious, listen to me now, Precious.
Look here, I'm going away from you as far as I can.
Precious, where you going, Precious? You don't have nowhere to go. You don't have nobody's here.
Look,
Precious,
I'll come back for my things them later. I don't want you know.
Precious, make it work. Precious. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why you send this damn old crosses back in my life? Oh, God, Precious, just listen to me, Precious. Just hear me. Precious.
Suzette, what's wrong?
She gone. She gone. Precious gone.
Well, you fell out.
She just walk out.
If I told you that my girl wants to move back to England and I'm gonna marry her, what would you say then?
The backside that have to do with me. Where you come tell me that for?
I'm gonna marry her and continue my business in Jamaica.
Good for you and her.
And don't come between me and you still. You can still be my #1 girl.
Congratulations, bon voyage. Get your backside out of my house.
He wasn't supposed to say that, Sue. I wanted you to say that you loved me. Good luck with Precious.
Precious. Precious, no one and only Precious.
What you want to explain?
Oh, Precious. Precious.
$60,000 US?
And 45 cents.
Over $1 million Jamaican dollars, Mama? And you never spend nothing? Not even a franc?
After how he left me to suffer, I was so bitter with him and despised him. I never want to touch on our money. I prefer sell myself and bring you up.
Mama, not even shoes, you don't know nothing to the money.
No, Precious. I save it for something bigger than that. Remember, say I get how we live in now. I mean, no one only go over you because you look good and you're bright and you're pretty.
So this was a surprise? Oh, Mama.
Well, I see she's not so bad after all. Let's go and look at the house.
Mama, you know some man you go through hell and back. You think would I just leave you like that?
It's all right, precious. It's all right. I can't look after myself. You know, see how me handle my chopper? Yeah, all right, man. Just go on. I want better than ghetto life for you.
Mama, but if me leave the ghetto, you have to leave the ghetto too. Anything, I just me and you, Mama. You know that. Me not leave you out.
We got you enough, you know, precious. We got you enough. You remember the time when we drink ice water for dinner? Yeah, hear me? Come, we go passa one more night here, we go fling it up. Come, one more night. What do you mean, before you move uptown?
Yeah, move with me.
Yeah, man.
Where I go?